Hello everybody, my name is Tommy and today we're gonna learn about a very serious sickness called noise pollution. When you hear the word pollution, you might think of gas fumes or you might think of gas. But this is another type of pollution, noise pollution. If you blow into a whistle, if you blow into a whistle, it creates a loud noise. If you do it about 1,000 times and it's really loud, then that is noise pollution. It is a lot of noise. You would not want to it is not healthy if you stand near a speeding train. It goes or when you hear this. You don't want to hear the bell ring so fast. And of course, that bell's ring includes here. The ring that we made from the bell or the sound of the school drum. It makes big sounds. It also infects our ears. Our ears have microscopic hairs, and if the waves are our ears have microscopic hairs. Those are the white things that you usually get out of your ear. Those are the microscopic hairs. And those microscopic hairs, if the sound is too loud, then the microscopic hairs might break. A human's normal ear and their hairs, microscopic hairs, could resist 87 hertz. 87 hertz. And that includes most of the hertz from, as you could see, that includes the hertz from the sound that you shout, "Ah!" The sound that you scream, the scream, and the sound that you Well, if that's all okay, let's just move on with the next one. First, I'm going to talk about the noise. The noise. There's a lot of noise in the city. When you wake up, not as peaceful as in the countryside. The city is full of cars and traffic. Beep, beep, honk, honk. Just talking, cars, traffic lights, people shouting because the seconds are too long. There are 25 minutes before the green light could come on. They're screaming and they're laughing, they're talking and other things because eventually they usually have a lot of noise. Boom, bang, poof, pow, poof, pow. So there's a lot of fighting in boxing stadiums, a lot of screaming and talking in museums, a lot of quiet in the library, a lot of kicking books around in the house, a lot of children screaming because they don't like things in the house. And they want to go to the beach, and the beach is full of relatives and stuff. That is a lot of noise. So it pollutes our city. Is noise making you deaf? No way. It's deaf because you hear a loud noise. The loudest noise ever recorded in the world was when the was when the maximum sound of a video of Karatu Mountain and Etna Mountain videos combined together create a huge sound, like an explosion in the lab. Everyone wanted to check out, but the scientist was okay. He's not working on bombs. He was working on, how loud things could be, about noise pollution. A long, long time ago, people thought that noise pollution was the fact that people kept screaming. They kept screaming, forming in circles. Well, that is just one of the reasons noise pollution was made. But another thing about noise pollution is that it's the pollution of noise. It makes a lot of noise. It makes also a big noise too. That noise is usually made from people talking, some other lists of things that you might not know. Well, first we are gonna have like throwing things around. You throw a toy into the wall, throw a basketball into the sink, get a baseball and kick it in someone's head. Lots of things to make noise. So noise pollution is definitely noise. As you hit a table or stomp your feet, it creates a loud noise. That noise is actually made because of, clouds. It is a pollution. No one likes noise pollution. Some people have these speeches to say, make the world quiet. Like, get a giant cardboard box and wrap it around the earth. So the earth couldn't hear anything that the people would say. So it's definitely like zip the mouths. Do you know what sickness can noise pollution make? Well, the first sickness that it can make is actually the pollution that it can make. Number one, it can make you deaf. Number two, the microscopic hairs in your ear break, causing it to have more death. And finally, three, what causes you death is because you get something hard, hit your ear 12,000 times, at least 12,000 times. Then you'll have death. About the 8,000th time, you'll probably hear. At 4,000 times later, of course, have death, like this. If you want to blow your whistle, you create a loud noise. What about clapping your hands? You create a middle noise. Then you try snapping your fingers. You make it smaller. And you try tapping your hand softly on a table. It makes a smaller noise, and when you touch the table, just touch the table, it creates no noise. So it likes that, from hearing a lot of noise to hearing a little bit of noise, hearing a little bit of noise, hearing medium noise, and hearing no noise ever to be heard. So today we have been learning about noise pollution. I've written this as the letter O is like the mouth that people can say and stuff. And the letter I is like an ear, and get a hand and cover the ear. Like this. I don't, blah, 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 I can't hear you. Just like that, you can't hear anything. So, it's like because the noise is too loud. Noise pollution. You can make something about this to share on homeschooling with me. So, see you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. See you next time for our next episode. Bye bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that like button. Smash the subscribe button. Hit that bell icon so you get 10 years of amazing luck. See you.